guys, my name is Zaina and I'm with the Creativity Lab, and today we're going to do two really cool experiments with baking soda and vinegar. So the first experiment we're going to do involves about 4 ingredients and is super awesome and very easy to do. So the first thing that we're going to need is a muffin tin. We're also going to need a bit of baking soda, some vinegar, and some food color. The first step to this process is actually to put a towel down on the surface that you're working with, because this might spill over the muffin tin and we don't want to get your table or your countertop dirty. So I'm just going to lay this towel down before I start. So now that we've got our towel down and we're ready to start, you're going to go ahead and take your baking soda and take about half a spoonful of baking soda and put it into one of your muffins. You can do as many as you want. I'm just gonna start with 2 for today. Now that you guys have your baking soda in your muffin tin, you can go ahead and add the food coloring. You can do whatever color you want and mix and match it up to make it super cool. After you guys put your food coloring in, go ahead and mix it up a bit with a spoon or something. Now that you guys have mixed the baking soda and the food coloring together, we're gonna get on to the really cool part of the experiment where you pour the vinegar in. Because baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid, when you mix them together, they create carbon dioxide and start to expand and form bubbles. This is really similar to the chemical reaction that happens when you shake a can of soda and open it. Are you guys ready to pour the vinegar in? 3, 2, 1. And now for the second one. The bubbles that you see are formed by the releasing of carbon dioxide from the mixture of the baking soda and vinegar. Wasn't that experiment super cool? We're gonna do another one that's very similar to it. Let's go to the second experiment. For this experiment, you're gonna need some baking soda, some vinegar, some food dye, an empty water bottle, a balloon, and some markers. The first step of the process is to decorate your balloon however you want it. I found that it's a lot easier to decorate your balloon when you blow it up, so go ahead and blow up your balloon, decorate it, and come back to the video. So now that you guys have decorated your balloon, go ahead and grab your plastic water bottle, and you're gonna go ahead and pour about half a cup of vinegar into the water bottle. Yes. So now that you guys have your water bottle filled with vinegar, you're gonna go ahead and get your food coloring and put some into the bottle of whatever color you choose. Now that you guys have your food coloring and your vinegar, you're gonna go ahead and put 3 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda into your balloon. It's a lot easier to do this if you have a funnel. Now that you have your baking soda in your balloon, you're going to carefully attach the top of your balloon to the top of the water bottle without letting any of the baking soda fall into the vinegar. Now that your balloon is attached to the top of your bottle, you're going to carefully tip the balloon so that all the baking soda falls in. 3, 2, 1. When the base that was your baking soda and the acid that is vinegar mixed together, it created a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction created a gas called carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide then caused the balloon to blow up and your really cool design to show on the balloon. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had a fun time doing these really cool experiments.